Hey, today is Friday, August the 18th. I'm here at Corvette World in Dallas, and Robert and I are going to do as many cars as we can do in 60 seconds.
All right. So next up, we got here a 16 3LZ convertible, white, black interior, carbon flash dual stripe package with 11,000 for 78. Next up, got another one here. This one here is a 2LZ, black on black convertible with chrome wheels, stage 3 lower front, stage 2 rear spoiler. We got 5,600 miles for 88 grand. Now we're gonna shift gears to Stingrays. Let's start off with this beauty here. So I got a 2019 Sebring Orange with Kalahari interior 3LT Z51, 6,300 miles, and we got it at 64. And it does have ACS carbon flash stage 2 aero and ACS body line extenders on the lower rear there.